Pontiac Star Chief 1955-57. Along with an all-new body, the straight 8 was superseded by the new Stratostreak V8 Power in 1955. Typical for the 1955 Pontiacs is the design with two wide silver streaks running the length of the hood. The hood ornament Indian was amber plastic that lit up when the headlights were turned on. Also for 1955, the new Star Chief Safari two-door hardtop wagon, which was similar to Chevrolet's Bel Air Nomad, was introduced, shared with the Pontiac Chieftain. This variant lasted through 1957, after that the Safari name was used for all of the division's standard four-door wagons. The Safari was introduced on January 31, 1955, over 3 months behind the rest of the 1955s. When the storyline of I Love Lucy pointed towards a Hollywood setting in the 1954 to 1955 season, the characters drove, in episode 110, California Here We Come, to the West Coast in a red-on-white 1955 Star Chief convertible, that in the previous episode Lucy Learns to Drive was bumped together with a 1922 Cadillac Type V63. General Motors was the sponsor of the show and the Pontiac was used several times for product placement. The Safari was not quite part of the Star Chief line, as it sat on the shorter Chieftain 122 and 3,100mm wheelbase. It was officially part of the 27 series, whereas the longer Star Chief received the 28 series designation. In January 1957, sometime after the rest of the new models, the four-door custom Safari Transcontinental was introduced. For 1956 the design was slightly revised, with heavier-looking bumpers and a vertical slash on the front door above the swage line. In 1957, the high-performance Star Chief Custom Bonneville was introduced as part of its divisional heads push to raise the mark out of the doldrums. The silver streaks running down the hood were dropped for the new Starflight design. All gauges were placed in an oval on the dash and the side trim had a missile-shaped spear behind the front door.